So folks, since previous video, I've been basically showcasing a standardized service offering with an example for Microsoft Dynamics 365 project operations. I want to do the same for SAP, and most importantly, make you understand again why and how to do it. Why I choose Microsoft and SAP. That's my technical background for my previous businesses. That doesn't mean that we are not helping other industry like IT consulting spheres as well, like DevOps, Salesforce, individual development, name it. We have it all within our clients. But again, my personal background, technology speaking and business wise, is SAP Microsoft. That's why I can do it very easily, right out of my pocket. So basically the same drama that I was in. I know you read quite a lot about the necessity of standardized or productized service offerings, right? I know I'm talking a lot about this. So let's answer the question. But why and how? Let me help you first with the why. Super easy. Ask yourself, do you want to start at zero with every new client? Do you want to have everything individualized for every new client? For every single client? How do you want to train and onboard your new people growing the company? As a business owner, do you merely want to be focusing on a project delivery part, or you also want to be focusing on getting new clients, basically grow your company? Do you want to engage in never-ending sales cycles with unknown requirements from client side and into the blue, so-called estimated efforts from your side? Basically, like always like a game of lying. Or do you want to have a standardized service offering? You can onboard new staff in a standardized way. You want to have less efforts for new clients, shorter sales cycles, and simply a more scalable project delivery and sales pipeline. And now, I know it's difficult. I know now you'll be thinking, maybe that works for other businesses, but not for mine. We are just too individualized. Again, heard it many times, proved it wrong. Again, ask yourself, why do other businesses scale and some stagnate or even decline? So, what I want to do here, I'll give you a real life example on how a standardized service offering, in this case for SAP Business Intelligence, can look like. DM me the word SAP and I will send you this real life example script. Before doing that, before jumping into that template that you are seeing here, I again want to highlight a little bit more the advantages, why we are doing it, because that's most important to understand. It's just not blindly following from what others say. You need to understand it's a switch in the mindset as well. Consistency and quality assurance is very, very important. A standardized process reduces complexity, offers benefits for cost savings, because you can easier scale, you can integrate, you have better support, less human errors, especially in SAP BI. You can, by standardizing, it simplifies the whole delivery process. Data extraction, reporting, analytics. It ensures uniform processes across projects. And basically you have a predefined handbook or playbook which minimizes, again, errors and accelerates decision making. You can easier scale and grow because standardized processes enable this growing and scaling. New team members can quickly be adapted and onboarded since you adapted established procedures. And again, you can enable or improve data-driven decision making because standardization in general enables better data collection, better analysis. You can track your performances with metrics for your business, for your employees. You can identify trends and basically already identify threats. You can make better decisions. You can make better actions, extract better actions out of it. So let's take a look on how this could look like for you if you're in the SAP BI sphere. Let me make myself redundant here. So again, a short description on the package itself. End result is always king, right? You always want to put the end result for the client into your package, your standardized or productized service package. Yeah. So take a look. And for the key features, yeah, how, and this is a question that always comes, how do I know how expensive it is? First of all, add the eternal time for the steps for the price calculation. Yeah, that's basically coming down here. Yeah. So the key features in this case could look like initial assessment and scoping. You want to understand the client business objectives to some extent. Always make an example on building a house. You can ask your clients if it's a predefined house, yeah, what color, the door, the windows and so on can have, but you will not change them. This is the same here. You basically have predefined objectives, so you're not going to change the whole process. Yeah? You can understand the data sources, the reporting requirements. No? Identify key performance indicators and reporting needs. Same jazz. Yeah? Data modeling and data extraction. Yeah? You can, here in this case, design data models using SAP BW or SAP HANA. And you can extract data from various sources, from ERP system databases or flat file. You would standardize that what you want to do because you cannot do all, right? You can, then it's about the report development. You can create already predefined interactive dashboards, ad hoc reports, or any kind of visualizations using SAC, so SAP Analytics Cloud or Lumira. And then you can also customize reports based on user roles and access levels. Yeah. Performance optimization. Now you can fine tune loading processes for optimal performance, ETL, and implement caching mechanisms for better response times. Yeah. User training and adaptation. Obviously you want to train the staff of the client and also share best practices for better data visualization and storytelling. Government security, important point here, as a key feature, you want to set up a role-based access control, so a RBAC in SAP, restrict data access and define lineage, and ensure compliance with data privacy. Regulations. So the deliverables end result is a detailed project plan with milestones, yeah, for the SAP BI implementation. I want to add that, yeah. Customized data models and reports, yeah. Data models on the warehousing, data warehousing website, and then this is front end. So back end and front end, you could even say, yeah. And user documentation where we reuse it, and maintenance. Pricing, for example, 10,000. Let's switch to euros. And additional charges for custom data accesses, complex data transfer. Maybe you can say, for example, 1,000 euros per day. If you then want to have a T&M component inside. Yeah? Consistent reporting across the organization is a benefit. You have an improvement for better decision making, real-time insights. And you can reduce the time spent on manual data extraction and reporting, yeah, that as a benefit for the organization, yeah. And fast implementation template for SAP BI, always good, no. And you can customize the offering based on client-specific needs, so industry-specific KPIs, integration with other SAP. Just an example. Yeah. So again, this is not a ready use it and go out there and do it. Of course, it needs to be adapted to your clients, to your needs, to problems that you're facing. But it's definitely something I've been using in my previous company, also with other clients. Obviously, add a little bit more meat to the bones, as we say in German. But I think you got, or I hope you got the idea. More importantly, just using this predefined template is really about understanding why you want to do it. I cannot emphasize this more clearly. So if you have any questions, hit me up. Let me know in the comments. Send me a DM. And I will answer to you personally. This is a great way, and for me, the only way to really scale your IT consulting business, in this case SAP, because if everything else is FTE and time and material based, the only way to add more, to grow in revenue is to add more FTEs, time. And to add more time is to add more people, but you will not have unlimited people. So you need to leverage your client success a little bit, like through a different way. So that means by the standardized process, your current staff can onboard more new clients than before. So you have a high leverage. Obviously it can be used in lead gen and sales. So it's a great effect throughout the whole company. It's not just like the delivery side. If you have a standardized delivery process, a productized service offering, you have an onboarding for new people because it's clear what they need to do. You have a clear training. You have the prerequisite for lead gen and sales because you have almost something physical that you can work with, that your sales team can work with. For marketing purposes, it's easy. It shortens sales cycles, obviously, because it answers the question, how much does it cost? How long does it take? So what do I get, right? And obviously, it's a great way to attract new clients. And again, a standardized productized service offering is a great door opener. That's how we call it in our mentoring. It opens the door for the second wave of projects, which can very likely be time and material. It's a great way to open the doors to new customers, because it decreases the risk for the client to work with. It's a smaller invest. It's a clear outcome, and then it opens the door for the big ones for the time and material. Yeah. So it's never a reduction or replacement. It's an addition. Hope that helps. If not, hit me up. Happy standardizing your SAP offering.